Hey Nefets, I would like to show you something. You probably heard of it. It's my Russian roulette with cans. Okay. I want you to verify that these Coca-Cola cans, you brought them here and they're totally normal. I haven't even touched them. Actually, I'm touching it. Yes, right now. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stand down there so I won't watch what you're doing, and I'm gonna give you some instructions of what we're gonna do. Okay? Perfect. So please take any can you like, and start shaking it so much that you probably wouldn't be able to open it even next Christmas. Done?
Almost. Alright, done.
Okay, perfect. So I want you to put it in the position it was, or even change the position, I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. And now I want you to turn your head away so I can mix just a little bit of the cans, so you have no idea which is your can, okay?
Right.
So I'm gonna go like this and like this. I'd probably like this, why not? Okay, now I'm gonna turn my head away, and this time, Nefets, I would like you to mix the cans, okay? When you're satisfied, just let me know.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay, I want you to come close to me. Come close.
Okay.
Okay, listen what happened. So far, let me recap. We had 5 different cans, okay? Same cans, but 5 cans. You're gonna take any can you like. I trust you, man. I really trust you. And you're gonna open it in front of my head, okay? Don't be afraid. Just do it.
Alright, here?
Yes?
You sure?
Yeah, it would be better to do it over my head like that. Oh, I heard that click and I'm satisfied now. So don't worry. Just put it aside. Come here, okay? Think of a can.
Anyone?
Yes, actually, you know what? Okay, change your mind once, and the can that you're gonna think, just take it and open it in front of on top of my head.
You sure?
Yes. I know what I'm doing. Oh, you just saved my life. Okay, now put it aside. Think about a can, think about any can.
Okay.
We have 3 more.
Yes.
Okay, yes, this one. Just take it and open it over my head. Okay, let's go. One more, man, one more. I believe you can do it. I trust you. I believe you can do it. Okay, so pick anyone you like. Not this one. Okay, open it. Take one and open it. Ah, great. So, I know. As you can understand, there is no big surprise right now at the moment, because we have opened all the 4 cans, so probably this is the last one. But I want you to see this. Please take it with your hand.
Like this?
Yes, hold it like this. Show you that. Hold the bag like that, and I want you to pick it up so I can open it.
Alright.
I'm trying to open it and see that.
Oh. Oh yeah. That was great.
Oh, thank you.
That was great. You were very close to be very wet, huh?
I was very close to be very wet.
It was really great. Really great.
And that's Russian roulette with cans.
Alright, Dennis, so I can see that you have some cans here, so I can bet that you're just about to talk about your great Russian roulette with cans that you performed for me, which was great, so please, go
No,
on.
I'm not gonna do that.
No?
Okay, I'm kidding.
Alright.
Yes. So this is an effect that I use a lot, and I have great fun with it. In fact, I enjoy it very much. I don't know if you enjoy it too, but
Yeah.
I enjoy it very much. And that's very important for the performer to feel comfortable with something and have fun with it. I have various ways, various methods to perform this effect. One of them is totally impromptu, and it goes back to Paul Harris effect, the Fitzmaster.
Yes.
So if you're familiar with this effect, with the Fitzmaster, you could do it like that. I prefer another method because I want the spectator to hold the can and the bag, and I only want to use my head to open the can. I'm going to go to that. Before that, I would like to say that I had a great conversation with Paul Harris, and I would like to thank him. I don't have permission, of course, to show the Fitzmaster, but you're going to find it in the Art of Astonishment books, which are
great books.
Great books, amazing magic. Thank you, Paul Harris, for that. And I have another method also, which uses psychology. I mean, come on, you have 5 cans, okay?
Yes.
The spectator takes any can, he shakes it a lot, as much as he pleased, and then he puts it back. You're gonna mix them or pretend that you mix them because you want him to lose the order of the cans, and then he mixes them too, so nobody knows where the second can is.
Yes.
Now you're gonna stay down, lay your knees down on the ground, and he's gonna open them on top of you. So, I'm going to tell you about the third method that I have, which uses just psychology. If you have 5 cans, okay, you shake one, you're not familiar with the principle that after, I don't know, something like 20 seconds, the gas is going to relax and everything's going to be okay. But if you're not familiar with that, you're pretty sure that if you shake a can, you're not going to be able to open it for, I don't know, people think that it's going to be impossible to open it for about days, I would say. So the effect for me has finished. Like, I'm talking about the third method, which is totally impromptu. It doesn't use the Fitzmaster principle. It doesn't use the principle that we saw before. But it's a very simple idea because the effect for you as a spectator, if you open the 4 of them, it has to be on the 5th.
Of course.
So most of the times, I don't be bothered, I don't do anything, I just go for the can, go into my bag to take the transparent bag that I'm going to use in a while, and I just shake it, because, you know, come on, it has finished, the effect has finished according to the spectator. So that being said, this is very simple. It's like you use the misdirection, you're going to go to your bag, to your suitcase, to remove the bag, and you just put it on your side, and just do this. That's more than enough. So let's talk now about the method that we see before at the presentation. It uses a very simple idea. It just uses this. Mentos. Okay. So actually what I do, and I like the fact that every time...
you told me about it, it's so fun.
Every time I do it, I eat the gimmick in front of the spectator. So I remove 1 Mentos, like that, I bite it, and cut a piece in half. That would be more than enough. And I just finger palm it on my left hand. And I start
that was so fun. I know that you performed it more times,
Yeah. So now I'm going to have it in finger palm like this. I can show my hand empty, and I have I can freely move my hands. He goes with the performance, as you already know. All you have to do is to wait about 20 seconds, but my script, like I'm gonna shake them 2, you have to shake them 2. I'm gonna mix them 2, you're gonna mix them 2. It gives me more time than I need. And then I'm gonna go sit in front of the cans, and he's gonna take anyone he likes. You show the presentation. And at the last one, so let's pretend this is the last one. Can you bring me the transparent bag, please? I'm holding the Mentos in finger palm between my ring finger and the flesh, like that. So I'm going to hold the transparent bag like that. I'm going to show my hand totally empty. I'm going to place the can inside the bag, and I'm going to tell him, please hold it like this. and I'm gonna talk to him, and I'm gonna show my hand one more time.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna do it slowly. When I'm gonna put my hand inside, I'm gonna drop the Mentos.
Yes, with your hand.
Yes, and I'm gonna tell him to grab the bag from top. And usually to block his view, so he won't be able to watch the Mentos, but I'm not gonna do it now because we're gonna go out of frame.
Yes. You ask him to go out.
Yes, I'm gonna go. Yes. So let me show exactly to the camera what it happens in the bag. We're not gonna use the bag anymore. Actually, no, we're gonna use it in a while. Anyway, you have to put the Mentos right where the lid that goes in, the mouth of the soda. And as you put it there, you just have to use your thumb or your index finger if you hold it like that, to open the can. What this is going to do, it's very well known that Mentos have a great reaction with any soda that has gas, and it's going to make the soda go like. Okay, so
could you please hand it to me? Yeah. Here it is.
Perfect. So we are in this position. The spectator is holding the can.
Yeah.
Like that. And this is blocking his view because he's going to put it upper, but we're not going to do it like that.
I can't see. Yeah.
Yes, so it's like that. And right now you are going to open the can and
let it go.
Yes, and
it's going to make that reaction. And you can actually shake it a little more if you want to have more. But this is more than enough. I mean, I'm already convinced that this is the one.
Yep, and the sound is great.
Yeah, you can hear the.
Yeah. So. This is
a great routine. It's a great routine.
Very enjoyable for the performer to do it.
Yeah.
And of course you can. I prefer to use a transparent bag unless I'm on the street and I could do something like.
Yeah, it sounds great. Actually, when you perform it for your spectator, they are kind of afraid of opening right in your head because they think they're gonna.
That's very funny.
Play very good. Because you have reactions before the climax.
Yes, the climax. Every time they open a can, they are like, oh no. And I say something like, okay, trust me, I trust you. Please do what I say and nobody's going to die. And this is Russian roulette with cans.
Yeah, very good idea. I'm using it since you told me about it.
Yeah.
And I will keep using it. It plays great. And I like that fact that it starts playing good reactions since the beginning to the end. So, thank you for sharing this. This is a great idea. Russian roulette with cans.